Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add family members to your Apple Music subscription. So by default, all your members are automatically granted shared access to your subscription, provided that you have already set up your family sharing on your device. But if that doesn't work for whatever reason, there is a way to do it manually. Simply open your iPhone, then navigate to Settings, then go to Family. Now, all of the members within your group are listed here. To add another, click the Add button in the top right corner. Now, you should always keep in mind that you are only allowed to add a maximum of 5 individual Apple IDs. Now, simply go to Subscription to see the shared premium services. Next, tap on Manage Subscriptions and make sure that Share with Family is activated. Now, remember that only eligible subscriptions are shared automatically. Therefore, if you want to share your Apple Music membership, make sure that you are registered for their family plan. Now, any other type of plan cannot be shared. To upgrade, you can either do it within the settings or subscribe directly from the Apple Music app. Also, if they join your family group, any existing Apple Music subscription held by any members will immediately be cancelled on the due date. And that's the simple way through which you can easily add family members to your Apple Music subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.